Hey guys, my name is Christina and today I'm going to jump right into what are the requirements for Outschool. Okay, so the first requirement is that you must be at least 18 years old to apply to Outschool. The second requirement is that you must be residing in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or the UK. The third requirement is that you must have a good command of written English and spoken English. So it is ideal if English is your native language. And having a good command of written English really just means, are you writing with proper grammar, that sort of thing. Another requirement is that you must have the technical know-how to run an online class. So for Outschool, your online classes are going to be through Zoom. So you want to make sure that you're familiar with Zoom and that you're capable of actually running a classroom on Zoom. Now, if you're not as familiar with Zoom, I encourage you to, use the internet as your resource and learn a little bit more about it and what to expect. It's definitely something that you can do or you can learn. It really just takes, playing around with it. So I would say don't let that be the thing that prevents you from applying. Now I'm going to include the list that Outschool actually places on their website, just because I want you to be completely aware of everything that they say. But just know that a lot of these things are things that, are kind of behavior based that you can definitely kind of figure out. So as long as you have the other things that I talked about, then you should be able to start with Outschool. For example, making sure that you maintain professional communication with parents. That's definitely something that you can do, right? So that's not something that I actually included in the requirements, but I will include it for you guys to refer to. Okay, another thing I wanted to address is whether you need a TEFL or a TESOL certification. So some of you are VIP Kid teachers or teach for other online platforms, and you may be wondering, do I need a TEFL for Outschool? So the short answer is no, you don't need a TEFL or a TESOL for Outschool. With Outschool, you are teaching a subject that you're passionate about, a subject that you are an expert in. So you do not need to have a TESOL or a TEFL in order to teach for Outschool. So that's another benefit. But you do need to bring with you passion for the subject that you're teaching, and they do want to see that you're an expert in something. But I'm going to include another video where I explain what exactly you can teach on Outschool. What are some of the subjects that other teachers are teaching? Because you can teach almost anything on Outschool. That's the beauty of it. So I encourage you to check out my other videos where I will go into detail about exactly the types of courses that you can create. Hope that helps. I want to keep this video nice and short for you guys. And I have a bunch of other videos about Outschool on my channel, so please feel free to check that out. They should all answer your questions. And if you want to apply to Outschool, do not hesitate to reach out to me via email, and I will leave you my referral link so that you can apply through my referral link and answer some of the questions that you may have. I hope this was helpful, guys. I'll see you in the next video.